Welcome back to our channel Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today we are going to solve a Java program for sorting first half of the in the ascending order and the second half of in the element in the descending order. So how to implement this? To implement this logic, let's start the program before wasting the time. So let's first read our main method where the our program is start to execute. Then, first of all, what we have to do, we have to create our own array. That is a int, the symbol of array, then name of the array, whatever you want, you can take it. And inside of the curly braces, you just give some values like 5, comma, 2, comma, 9, comma, 1, comma, 6, comma, 3, comma, 8, comma, 7. Whatever you want, you can take it, then end with semicolon. This is the element which we have in the uh, array, name of the array. What our question is saying is sorting the first half of the in the ascending order. First half of the element in the let me- element in ascending order, and the second half of the element in descending order. Okay, so let's first sort the first half of the element. This is the half of the element. Then we have to do the reverse in the descending order, the last half of the element. So what we have to do, first of all, if you remember arrays basics foundations, then you know that the array have some method, and the array class have some method. That is a arrays. Arrays is a class. Inside of this class, what we have uh, the method that is a sort method. Okay, so this first what we have to do, we just type this arrays and control space. Okay, see, you can see here the arrays class is importing in the java.util package is percent enter. So it imported here. You can see java.util dot arrays. Now in this class, what we have some method like see class as list, binary search. There are multiple methods which is present inside of arrays package. But here what we needed, we need a sort method. Just write this as O R sort. See, as you can see here multiple sort method is here. That is a method overloading. Get type, double type, whatever type you want to run, you can do it. Here we need just int type. Okay. In the inside of this sort array, what we need three things. Okay, first is a array, name of the element, that is a arr. Okay, then colon zero, starting from the zero. Then we need a one more thing, that is a mid. But as you can see here, the array is throwing when we are typing the mid, because we did not define the variables of mid, which we store the length of the array. So what we have to do, first of all, let's take int n. Okay, n is a total number of length. Okay, whatever the values we have now, that how many size of the array which will be coming inside the n, that is the index values. So n is equal to arr dot length, which represent the total length of the arr. Okay, so here the all whatever the length we have, the all length is coming inside of this n. Then we need half of the array to sort in the ascending order. So for that reasons, we need one more variables, that is the int mid is equal to and divide by means whatever the length is here now. Let's suppose here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 length is here now. That is divide by 2 means the 4, the half of the array. That is why inside of mid what we have a 4. Then what they do arrays dot sort. It will be sort the half of the array. Then what we need we have to sort the second of the array in the descending order. This is sort will be faster. Let me write some comment here. Sort first understand purpose. First half in ascending order. As C and D I N D ascending order. So yeah, the first half is completed here. So after this, let me do one more thing. Before implementing the second half, we have to just this out, this out arrays, arrays dot to string method where what we have here. Okay, let me run it and see what we are getting in the console. See, we will getting the 1, 2, 5, 9. This is the first half of the element in the ascending order is printed. Now what we have to do, we have to uh, set this last half of the array in the descending order. So for that, we come here and take one object that is a array integer type. Integer the array. Second half of the array is a name of the element. Half is equal to new integer is equal to n minus uh, sorry, what we are getting here actually, yeah, the our method is right, but this is the array type. The symbol should be a array type here. It should be a array type n minus v. So what is happening here? Basically, the the type of array is an integer type. Name of the array is second half, and new is creating the object. Then integer is the same to representing the constructor of the array class. Then here n minus mid is a logic. That means let's suppose here we have a 8 in the n. Okay. In the n, but we have a length of 8. The mid is a 4. The first mid is a 4. Okay. So what they do, you just 8 minus 4. The first 4 is removed in the uh, original array. That means what we have a last array is a 4, the size of 4. Then after this, take a for loop for in I is equal to 0. Starting from the 0, I should less than of second half dot length, then I plus plus. What they have to do? The second half of I is equal to ARR of mid plus 1. Mid, oh sorry, to mid plus I. That means it will be set the values in the descending order by this logic. Second half of I, whatever the I is getting in the abbreviations, it will be compared and stored in the ARR of mid plus I. Then after this, you just come here and just take one more arrays method, arrays dot, okay, dot sort second half. Then the one method which is present in the collection package, collection dot. If you remember, the reverse logic is present inside of these collections. Collection is a parent class where we have a reverse order method is present inside of this collection. That is why when we are typing the collections dot reverse, the method is automatically coming in the our program. Then after this our program is completed. Here what we are doing is arrays dot posting dot arr. The whole the thing is right now. So what we need to do here, okay, now the almost program is done. Here basically what is happening now. So let me comment out. Convert second half to integer array for descending order. Now you will understand what is happening here. Uh, okay. Now one more thing we need here. Copy back to the second half into original array. Now the our array is converted into integer type. It's not a int, it's an integer type. Now what we have to do, we just need a for loop again for int I is equal to 0 starting from the 0. Then I should less than of second half dot length I plus plus. What you have to do? Let's do the same thing. ARR of made plus I then is equal to second half of I. Let me comment here first and then we'll run the programs to understand what actually happening here. Copy back second half into original array. Okay, now we are getting to understand what is happening actually. To arrange to the second half in the descending order, we have to just import the half of the array inside of this second half. So we just creating the new array. That name of the array is a second half. Inside of second half, what we will getting n minus b, the value of inside the array, half of the array. ARR, whatever the value is there, let's suppose here 6387. That is coming inside this half of the array. And what we have to do, we just arrange to the uh, actual reverse formulas. Then copy back to the second half into the original array. But one more thing, this should be not here. This should be here to make sure the reverse order in the second half. Let me run it again. See, 1259 is the ascending order, then 8762. This is the second half of the element is a descending order. Our program is working fine. That's all about in the video. Thank you for watching Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.